Hi guys, my name's David. In today's video, I'm going to give a short explanation about sandpaper for beginners. So let's get into it. Okay, as you all know, probably you've seen all different colors of sandpaper. Now this isn't so important for us as beginners what type of sandpaper you've got. What is important are the numbers. If you look on the back of your sandpaper, so the numbers on the back of the sandpaper, as you can see this one here, it's written 120. We have 60, 80, 220. What does it all mean? Well, let's go down to the lowest number. The lowest number, if you look at the other side of it, it's quite a coarse grit paper. And 60 means in 1 square centimeter, there's 60 pieces of grit. The grit on this particular paper is aluminium oxide, but this is not important at the moment. There's 60 pieces in a square centimeter. If I take the next highest number I've got is 80. So it means there's 80 pieces. So in a square centimeter, I've got more pieces of grit. And as you go up the numbers, 120, it's getting finer and finer. There's more pieces of grit in that square centimeter, and they're a little bit smaller to fit them in. And up to 120, which is quite fine, 220, sorry, which is quite fine. So why do we have all these numbers? Why have we got rough sandpaper and something in between? Well, we should always start with a rough paper. If I've got a piece of rough wood and I want to make it smooth, that's generally why I'm sanding the wood, to get it smooth. So if I've got a piece of rough wood, I want to start off with quite a rough paper, like 60. And I sand away with the 60, or with a machine or by hand. We're going to get into that in other videos. But now just to understand the paper. So I'm going to start off with the roughest paper I've got and sand away the wood until the deepest scratches and marks have disappeared. But what's going to remain are scratches from the rough paper, from the 60. So now to remove those scratches, I take the next grit that I've got, which is 80. And now I don't need to work very much. All I'm doing with the 80 is removing the scratches that the 60 put. And so on and so forth. I go up the numbers. Then I'd go to 120, and the 120 is going to remove the scratches of the 80. And then I'll go up to 220, which is going to remove the scratches of the 120. By the time I've got to 220, my wood should be quite smooth and nice. Okay guys, well I hope that video helped you understand a little bit about sandpaper. I'm going to continue with this series of videos about sanding, so be sure to watch the next one and I'll give you some more tips and tricks. So all the best for now. Thanks ever so much for watching. Please like the video if you liked it, share, subscribe and ring that little bell. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.